Hi, today the topic that I am going to discuss about is course branding. First, let's see what is course branding. Course branding is done for profit businesses cooperating with non-profit businesses over a certain cause. The non-profit receives a boost in donations and the for-profit will receive a branding boost. That means both happy by the end. Branding is an important issue for every business and being associated with positive causes is a great boost for any brand. Cause branding engages people to participate in different charity events and besides gaining money, the companies will increase brand awareness among customers. Both the non-profit and the for-profit company can enjoy benefits from this arrangement. The main purpose of cause branding is to build dependency between the cause and the brand. It builds an emotional connection between the company and the customers. Cause branding makes an opportunity for the customers and the investors to do charity and help people in need. Cause branding's definition is nearly synonymous to cause marketing, in that both are described as a potentially profit making initiative by a for profit company or brand to raise awareness, money, or consumer engagement in a social or environmental issue. The big difference being that cause branding focuses on long term associations as opposed to short term with cause marketing. Cause branding is also designed with the hopes of creating a permanent affiliation between the cause and the brand. Examples of this can be seen with Coca Cola's work with the World Wildlife Foundation or Dove's Real Beauty Pledge. Now, let's see what are the effects of cause branding on non-profit partner. Cause branding can have international impact as well as local impact. Awareness is one of the most important impacts of cause branding for non-profit partners. People may know them better and decide to participate in their charities. Non-profits are looking for opportunities for participation, sponsorship, and support. Some non-profit partners expect instant results participating in campaigns, which is a bad mistake. It takes time to work with the partner and eventually reach a certain result. Non-profits expect financial support and better public insight with their partners' marketing strategies. On the other hand, for-profit companies expect to sell more products and raise their public awareness through the campaign. Not only that, by participating in a campaign with new or well-known companies, we'll have the profit of sponsorship of those companies. For example, when a charity cooperates with the Coca-Cola industry, besides the awareness and popularity they may gain, that huge company will sponsor them and donates money, food and any other services to that charity. And those companies will provide the fund they need to do their good and help others. Finding a secure fund for the community is the key to success in the field. Cooperating with companies based on cause branding will enable them to fulfill their programs using the money or products they gain from the campaign. Volunteers are also more probable to happen to participate in cause branding strategies. Skilled volunteers may be willing to participate in charities and help non-profit partners to be more successful in their goals. Now, let's discuss about choosing the best causes to get behind. Choosing what cause to support is one of the most important and risky decisions businesses have to make to gain their forecasting profits. It should choose a great cause to support which affects both the equity and internal operations of companies. An inappropriate cause can be harmful to the business. There are some factors we have to consider before choosing which cause to participate with. It's important to choose an organization that doesn't generate negative media attention. Choosing a proper cause can be beneficial for both the cause and the company which is supporting the cause. It will help to raise their profile and give them a competitive edge. Companies are also looking for non-profit partners who are aligned with their social purposes. If the non-profit goes wrong, the reputation of both sides will be threatened. And it is difficult for both sides, especially the non-profit partner, to recover from the mistakes and failures that they have done since the people expect charities to do the jobs well and without any bad acts. it is important to research all aspects of the partner that the company is planning to start a relationship with. The company has to identify all the potential scandals and issues they might have in public eyes and then sign a contract or even start a friendly campaign with them. Another important factor to be considered in choosing the course partner is to identify whether they are capable of managing the company's demands or not. And the customer figure out when a company is not doing its job perfectly and whether they care about the charity or not. If the non-profit has its own priority, they will definitely put the customer's demand at the end of the checklist. This will threaten their reputation in public and they may even lose their customers. The examples of course branding will give more insight into this concept. Let's look into that. The first one is Patagonia's Environmental Friday. Patagonia company started Black Friday campaign in 2016 and donated its sales entirely to local and environmental NGOs. They also warned people of the dangers the mass production clothes may have for the environment and the importance of using recyclable clothes. Moreover, Patagonia's subversive Don't Buy This Jacket campaign helped to raise awareness of the dangers of fast fashion. Another example for course branding is MasterCard's claim in 2018 FIFA World Cup about donating meals to 10,000 children for each goal Messi and Neymar Jr. score in each game. They announced that they would donate the food for the children in Latin America and Caribbean for each goal scored. This caused an immediate social outcry suggesting that the multi-billion-dollar company donated the meals regardless of which player scored. Another example to make this concept clear is Tom's, which is an American shoemaker, donated a pair of shoes to people in need for every pair of shoes purchased by the customers. Here, the people may give more preference or priority to Tom's over the other brands or purchase more products thinking that other half of the shoes will be received by people who need them the most. Save Lives to Save Lives is another example of course branding between for-profit Yoplait company and Susan G. Komen as a non-profit partner. They threw a campaign to increase people's awareness of breast cancer. The for-profit company donated more than $1 million to its non-profit partners, and in return, Susan G. Komen gathered messages out to all Yoplait's existing and potential customers and led to awareness for both sides of the participation. So these are some of the examples and informations regarding the course branding. That's all. Thank you.